Hello everybody, it's Inex here. So let's get started. I add some clips to my timeline that doesn't match in size. If we want to resize every clip, we go to Sequence, Sequence Settings, and we change the frame size. Okay, let's go back and try another method. We right click on the clip we want to resize and we go to Scale to Frame Size. Also, you can double click on the video in the preview screen and resize it manually by dragging these little handles. Also, if your clip is selected, you can go to your effect controls and you can change the scale by dragging to right or left, or just type in the value you want. That was it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.